If you've crossed 60, let me ask you, have you noticed your legs get tired faster? Climbing stairs feels harder, or you just don't have that bounce in your step like you used to? You might think, well, I'm just getting old. But here is the truth, your body is quite losing muscle at a rate of up to 8% per decade after 40. By 60, it's even faster. Scientists call this sarcopenia, and it's one of the biggest reasons older adults lose independence. But here's the good news, you can slow it down and even reverse it. Today, I'm going to show you four powerful teas backed by science that feed your muscles, protect your joints, improve circulation, and help you walk strong again like you were 40. And stick with me until the end because the last tea is the one you must drink before bed to wake up stronger. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Green channel, and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when we upload a new video on the channel. Green tea is often marketed for weight loss, but that's just scratching the surface. The real magic is in its EGCG, a potent plant antioxidant that stimulates muscle stem cells to repair damage and grow new fibers. A study from the University of Georgia found that green tea extract improved muscle strength and recovery in older adults who were active. But even if you are not lifting weights, green tea still helps by improving blood flow by delivering oxygen and nutrients directly to your muscles when you walk, garden, or even do house chores. How to take it? Have 1 cup in the morning with breakfast. Use fresh hot water, not boiling, to avoid killing its delicate antioxidants. Skip the sugar. Add a slice of lemon instead to boost its antioxidant power. Weak legs aren't just about weak muscles. Inflamed joints and irritated nerves can make walking painful and tiring. That's where ginger tea shines. Ginger contains gingerols and chagols, natural compounds that reduce inflammation and acts like mouth pain relievers. They help keep your knees, hips, and ankles flexible. But ginger tea does more. It improves digestion and nutrient absorption, which is crucial because you can eat all the protein you want, but if your body can't absorb it well, your muscles will starve. How to take it? Drink 1 cup in the afternoon, especially before light exercise or stretching. You can use fresh ginger slices boiled for 5 to 7 minutes for maximum potency. Add a little honey if you want a soothing anti-inflammatory boost. Hibiscus tea is more than just a pretty red drink. It's packed with anthocyanins, plant pigments that keep your blood vessels flexible and improve circulation. Strong blood flow means your muscles get a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients, helping them recover faster and work better. It's also rich in vitamin C, which your body uses to produce collagen, the protein that holds your muscles, tendons, and joints together. Think of collagen as a scaffolding that keeps you upright and moving. Study shows hibiscus tea can help naturally lower blood pressure, which is a huge plus because high blood pressure can damage the tiny blood vessels that feed your muscles. How to take it? Have 1 cup in the early evening to relax your blood vessels before bedtime. Avoid adding too much sugar. Use a small amount of honey if you must. If you are on medication for blood pressure, check with your doctor before taking it daily. This is the tea you must drink before bed. Moringa leaves a powerhouse. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete plant protein. These amino acids are the raw materials your muscles use to repair and grow stronger, especially while you sleep. Moringa is also rich in magnesium, which relaxes muscles and nerves, helping you sleep deeper. And deep sleep is when your body's growth hormone kicks in. the hormone responsible for muscle repair and regeneration. Plus, it's loaded with calcium and potassium, which keep muscles contracting properly and prevent nighttime leg cramps. How to take it? Drink 1 cup 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Steep dried moringa leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. You can also mix moringa powder into warm water for a quicker version. Don't just drink, move. These teas will feed your muscles and help them recover, but muscles also need to be used to stay strong. A short walk, light resistance training, or even chair exercises will multiply the benefits. Getting older doesn't have to mean getting weaker. By adding green tea in the morning, ginger tea in the afternoon, hibiscus tea in the evening, and moringa tea before bed, you are giving your muscles the nutrition, circulation, and rest they need to bounce back. Start today, and in just a few weeks, you might notice your steps are lighter, your balance is better, and your strength is coming back. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone over 60 and subscribe for more natural health tips that help you stay strong for life. Thank you for sticking with me to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Remember, green health cares.